Chef Ricardo cooking program. I'm gonna show you how to cook that beautiful curry goat which we are marinate a days ago. This is 24 hours now, and we remember how we show you how to marinate the curry goat with that beautiful natural season, all of those seasoning, meat season, chicken. Man, I know you guys gonna love this recipe. Yeah, so please subscribe to Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, put your comments below, and enjoy all of the recipe then. Nice one. Enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Happy Father's Day. So far I have a medium-sized pot on the stove right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some lemon to wash the curry goat. If you don't have lemon or lime, you can use white vinegar to wash it, and they still get a nice flavor. So I'm just burning this inside of the pot. Then what I'm gonna simply do now, I'm gonna simply put in that beautiful curry goat right. Let's look at this. Nice and beautiful. Sorry about that, guys. The rush it just like that. But I did have it in my fridge for 24 hours, and now I just take it out and I'm cooking it. That's what you guys can see. You can smell that beautiful scent with the curry and the thyme. You can put garlic and white onion also, but we already have white onion and garlic and the meat so far. So what I'm gonna simply do, I'm just gonna cook this now for roughly 15 minutes. You're gonna spring some water on itself, on its own. After 15 minutes, you can always boil some water in your kettle. Always have hot water to add to it to get it cooked. So every 10 to 15 minutes, you can add boiling water until it gets soft. You're gonna cook it until it gets really soft and moist. Then we're gonna add some carrot, white onion again, and some nice potato, and a nice piece of fresh Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper. I know you guys gonna love it. So happy Father's Day Sunday coming. Enjoy the nice curry goat with some rice, and I know you're gonna love it. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo. Nice one. So we're gonna continue, we're gonna just continue stir it like this until you see that water go down. Then you're gonna add some water inside of it, some boiling water. Really nice and beautiful, as you can see. You see, it's bringing its own juice. Nice, but that's not enough. Roughly gonna take about 45 minutes to get really soft, to even to an hour. This is curry goat meat. It takes so long to cook, so hopefully you will just take your time and cook it like me. I'm doing right here on a medium size heat. When you put in your hot water, you can turn up the stove a little bit high just for it to get cooked a little bit more soft. Then you have some Jamaican way where they normally put all ice in it to get it soft quickly, or you can use a pressure cooker. But I'm just using my stove at the moment, cooking it slow and get the flavor and everything. When you put it in the pressure cooker, I cook too quick, so it just that little boof. So I'm gonna say, take a little time, cook it just like this. Keep adding boiling water until it gets really soft and nice. So what we're gonna simple do, we're gonna just check out this curry goat, because I was adding some boiling water before, and it's now roughly about 45 to an hour now since I've been cooking the goat. So remember I told you before, all I need to do is keep stirring it, add some boiling water until it gets really tender and soft. So far I checked it about 20 minutes ago, and it was slightly getting soft. So hopefully now they are soft enough the way I want it. As I can see, it's looking really nice in the pot so far. So if I simply just take out a little piece like this right here. Let's try this little piece right here to see how soft it is. Whoa, you can see it's break. Alright. Right here, this is this little piece right here, which I'm gonna show you something. When your meat soft, you can simply just break it like this. So right here, as you can see, it is soft, really soft. That means it's tender, ready to add the rest of seasoning inside of it. So far in my little container right here, I have half of a scotch bonnet pepper. So Jamaican pepper is really hot. You can use a little bit of mild pepper sauce if you like, or use whatever you like. I have 3 potato which I just peeled, cut, diced them up, and also 4 carrot, I diced them also, 2 stalks of spring onion and 1 large white onion. I'm gonna put it straight inside of the pot like this with some garlic. I use 2 more cups of garlic also inside of the pot. Give it a little stir like this. So as you can see, looking really good inside of the pot. Really nice. You can see, looking so beautiful. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this coarse pepper inside of it. I might add a little bit more of the everyday seasoning inside of it. Remember, we was adding so much boiling water, so it, you know, might take away the flavor from the seasoning. So add a little bit more meat seasoning and a little bit more garlic powder also inside of it, just to bring up back the flavor. Give it a stir. Then you can taste it now and see the way it tastes if you think it need a little bit. So I'm just gonna just simply put a little bit in my hand. Nice, beautiful. I'm just gonna put a pinch of salt inside of it, not too much, just a little pinch of salt, because salt will bring up the flavor some more. You don't need to add salt, but if you a person like a salt, you can always add a little bit of salt. But for me, I don't really like salt, but I just add a little bit to show you that you can add a little salt inside of it, because the seasoning have salt. But Cho was adding so much boiling water for me to get the meat really soft like the way I just show you. But so what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna teach you something. If you're cooking and your food is too spicy, you don't need to throw it away. I'm gonna give you a recipe for what to make your food not pepper. I'm gonna show you in the next video, which is gonna come out soon. Because a lot of people don't know. So if you're cooking and your food is too pepper, there is something you can use to cut away the pepper from the food. So enjoy the curry goat. I'm just gonna leave this for roughly go on good another 15 minutes for it to just cook and simmer down into gravy. Enjoy it. Look at this beautiful curry goat right here. So it's right now. So I'm just gonna share out some with some plain rice that you guys can see, or you can cheat. Wife, you have a big job to do Sunday coming, cause you might home and you have to cook your kids and father dinner. So right here is the recipe: curry goat with plain rice. Right here, this is finished now, and I'm gonna turn off my stove. And as you can see, all that beautiful, you just bubble it up, everything together. As you can see, I want you to enjoy the recipe. Please and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then remember, as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out for you. So this is finished. This can turn off, and I'm gonna turn it off now and share out a nice portion for you guys. So enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye. And remember, it takes up to an hour and roughly 15 minutes everything takes now to cook, simmer down and everything. So I can turn off. I don't need to dry it out, and I'm gonna dish it out for you now. Look at that beautiful steam coming out of the pot with a nice curry. This can go with anything, anything. Rice and peas, plain rice, dumpling, oh, banana, yam, anything you like. Any foreign country, anywhere you are in the world, you can enjoy some curry goat with anything. Nice and beautiful. As you can see, I have the meal. I got the curry goat, the vegetable, rice, and a nice fat piece of a tomato which I just fold it like a rose. Few pieces of spring onion decorated. And right over here is the Father's Day card. I want to say Happy Father's Day to every father. Big up every father. Mom, this is a nice recipe where you can look after for father and make your father, make the kids and father really happy and feel good. So right, as you can see, the beautiful recipe, curry goat with plain rice, mixed vegetable, and piece of fat chunk of a tomato at the side. I want to say, Father, happy Father's Day, and I'm telling you, enjoy this beautiful recipe. You don't need to go out and spend £250 to buy a meal. You can simply spend a nice change, get some curry goat, plain rice, veg, and enjoy a nice meal. All you need is a nice glass of and a nice carrot juice or some pineapple juice, whatever you like, right at this meal. So as you can see, let's enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like the recipe. Put your comments below and tell your thanks to everyone who watching my video. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. As I said before, it's a nice recipe for Father's Day. It's curry goat with plain rice. You can have it also with rice and peas if you don't like the plain rice. Pumpkin rice, colorful rice, vegetable rice, whatever you like. You can enjoy with this nice, beautiful curry goat. And remember, the video on YouTube how to marinate it before you cook it. So today is Sunday. Enjoy the recipe. And remember, 24-hour day soaking with this with this curry goat in the fridge. I know you guys will love it. So enjoy it from Chef Ricardo. We have a lot more recipe coming up for you guys, as I say. And right, Sundays, what I mean, it's Father's Day today, and happy Father's Day for every father. We want to big up all the fathers and let them know that Chef Ricardo is here to support every father with a nice, lovely meal. So stay tuned as we have the next video coming out soon.